Hey traders, good evening. So today is 15 November 2018. This is live trading crude oil futures market for January contract 2019. So at this moment I'm on a long position. Here is my entry. So this is the nearest high. So I'm expecting for the price to go on the upper side. So we will expecting news today from the inventory. So at this moment it doesn't look good. I'm on 3 ticks below my entry level, but we have to wait. Maybe this might take 1 hour or 2 hours, although there's high volatility during US session, but still have to be patient. So now the market try to move. As you can see, it's quite volatile during US session. Now 5 ticks above entry level. So my target is around 60 ticks. So let's wait and see whether we can make it 60 ticks by today. So guys, I will pause this video and we'll resume back once the price pass through this nearest high. So hopefully everything's go fine, and then we can see the 60 ticks kind of price movement. Okay, now it looks good, 9 ticks, but it's still far away, so let's wait and see patiently. Okay, I will pause this video and resume back later on. Okay guys, we resume back again. So far looks good. The price already break through the nearest high. So this moment at 91, so I'm profiting around 200. So 190. So let's wait and see. Hopefully the price will keep going up and further up. So 220 at this moment. So I will pause this video again, and hopefully once it reach the first resistance level, then I will resume back again. So the target is 60 ticks. Hopefully everything's go fine, and I will change my stop loss here to the nearest. Okay guys, thank you. Okay guys, we resume back again. So things looks good at this moment. So 320 US dollar in profit. It's been 32 ticks above my entry level. So my entry level, I will redraw again. This is my entry level. This is the nearest side. The price already break. So target is the first resistance level here. So once it's passed through this area, which is in this red line, then I will exit the market. So target is 60 ticks at this moment. I've removed my stop loss to this area, and hopefully can reach to the 60 ticks target. So at this moment you can see this is 5-minute chart, and the market try to make a pullback, hopefully only for short term, or try to push harder on the upper side. So have to wait patiently. Okay guys, I will pause this video, or maybe I will exit the market anytime soon. Once I exit, then I will keep in touch. I will resume back again this video. Thank you. Okay guys, we resume back again. So at this moment everything looks fine. So almost 40 ticks. So I'm about to close my position. So you can see here 39 ticks above my entry level. So I'm targeting around 60 ticks. So if I manage to get to 40 ticks, then I will exit at 40 ticks. So I will sell directly on the market. So at this moment 31. So let's put at 13. Okay, that's my target. 390. Oh, no, it was back down. My target, the first target is here, but you know, sometimes you are waiting while you are profiting also can make a bit hard, because you don't want the price to move back. Okay, I'm out. So the total profit will be 13 to 73 if I reckon my entry. 40 ticks should be fine. 40 ticks. So let's see. Oh, where is it? 30, 30. Oh, it's 33. Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure, but I raised it at 30 ticks. sorry, 40 ticks. So here, let's measure it. So my entry is here, my TP is here. So this is 40 ticks. Yeah, it's a good profit today. So better have a good night. Then later there will be news coming out for inventory, crude oil inventory, but I will not get involved in it. So I will close all my position, and maybe in my time it's almost night, so I will go sleep early. So for you guys, please subscribe this video for subscribe this channel for more video in futures. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.